Hello children, today we are going to learn about advantages and disadvantages of frictional force, and also we are going to learn how can we reduce or increase friction. Advantages of frictional force. Frictional force is necessary for various purposes in our daily lives, such as it allows us to walk on the ground, to write with a pen on a paper, and also to fix a nail on the wall. It would not be possible to drive any vehicle on the road without the frictional force. Disadvantages of frictional force. Frictional force results in wear and tear of objects such as the moving parts of the machine, the tires of a vehicle, sole of the shoes, etc. It also results in the production of heat. In the case of machines, the production of heat leads to the wastage of energy. Frictional force also leads to a decrease in the speed of a moving object or sometimes stops it. It can lead to noise pollution in certain cases. For instance, aircrafts produce loud sound due to the resistance of the air. How can we reduce or increase friction? Sometimes we need to increase friction so as to avoid slipping of objects. For example, the tires are treaded so that they have a better grip over the ground and allow the smooth movement of the vehicles. The sole of the shoes is grooved so that the friction between our feet and ground increases and we can walk safely. Kabaddi players rub their hands with soil, which helps in increasing the friction between the hands and allows them to have an easy grip of the opponent. Brake pads are used in bikes to stop them suddenly from moving by increasing the amount of friction. Reducing friction. Sometimes, in order to have a smooth movement of an object, we need to reduce friction. For example, grease is used in bicycles and other motors or different parts of a machine to reduce friction and increase their efficiency. The powder is sprinkled over the carom board to decrease the friction between the board surface and the striker. Oil is applied on the hinges of the door so that they can move easily. Applying substances like grease, oil, or powder allows in smooth movement as they block the irregularities of a surface. The substances that can reduce the amount of friction between different objects are called lubricants. However, we can never reduce friction to a level of 0. There are always some irregularities present on the surface. How wheels can reduce friction? We know that whenever an object rolls off a surface, rolling friction is produced, which resists its motion on the surface. However, the friction of the rolling friction magnitude is lesser than the static and sliding friction. The wheels allow an object to roll over a surface rather than allowing them to slide over the surface. This results in less friction and hence easy movement of the object. Rolling friction is also used in the parts of the machine that are moving continuously. In this way, the sliding friction is removed with the help of rolling friction, and therefore the adverse effects of friction such as the production of heat or wear and tear of the mechanical parts are also reduced. For instance, ball bearings are used in fans and bicycles to reduce friction. I hope it is clear to you all. Thank you.